Hello and welcome back to Creative Stuff. In this video, we are going to learn how to upload code to NodeMCU using Arduino IDE. I will be using a simple LED blink example here. To do that, here I have placed the NodeMCU on the breadboard. Then connected an LED in series with a 100 ohm resistor between pin D0 and one of the ground pins of the NodeMCU. With that, my circuit is ready. Now, let's go to the software part. Download and extract the file that I have provided in the description below. Then, open Arduino IDE. As you can see, there is no NodeMCU board here in the board tab of the Arduino IDE. So, go to the downloaded folder and open the text file. And copy the text. Then again, go back to Arduino IDE. Go to File and then choose Preferences. Then paste the copied link in the Additional Boards Manager URL tab and then click on OK. After that, go to Tools and click on Boards Manager. Then search for NodeMCU. Then install the ESP8266 board. After installation, again go to Tools and as you can see, we have a ESP8266 boards tab here. Click on it and select NodeMCU 1.0 ESP12B module. As you can see, the COM port 3 is automatically selected. If the COM port doesn't show up in your case, then go to the downloaded folder. Click on drivers and install the .exe file. After that, open the blink code provided in the folder and upload the code to the NodeMCU board. As you can see, the LED starts blinking. In this manner, we can upload any code to NodeMCU using Arduino IDE. That's it for today guys. See you in the next one, and yes, don't forget to like and subscribe.